Hi guys, Mr. New Mobile here. This is Samsung Galaxy F41. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. Samsung Galaxy F41 schematics have reportedly been leaked online. These schematics of the alleged first smartphone in the rumored Galaxy F series. This shows the phone sporting a waterdrop style notch and a triple rear camera setup. Furthermore, a phone has also been spotted on Geekbench with model number SF415F. It is being speculated that this model number belongs to the Galaxy F41. The listing suggests that the smartphone may be powered by Exynos 9611 SoC, paired with 6GB of RAM. The schematics of the alleged Samsung Galaxy F41 have been shared by known tipster Ishan Agarwal. Agarwal claims that the rumored smartphone may have SMF415F model number, and Samsung would use full-on tagline for Indian market. The tipster also claims that the phone could have an AMOLED display. In a previous tweet, Agarwal had said that the phone would be available in two storage options style notch. The left edge of the smartphone sports a SIM card slot, and on the right side are volume rockers and the power key. The bottom edge features a speaker, a USB Type-C port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. On the back, the alleged Samsung Galaxy F41 is seen sporting a triple camera setup with flash placed in a rectangular module. There is also a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. In another development, the rumored smartphone has been spotted on Geekbench. The listing shows a phone with a model number SMF415F, the same as mentioned by Agarwal, running on Android 10. The listing reveals that the phone is powered by Exynos 9611 SoC, paired with 6GB of RAM. The schematics and the key hardware look similar to various Galaxy M series smartphones, particularly the Galaxy M31. The alleged Galaxy F41 could be a rebadged version of the Galaxy M31 with improved cameras. The Galaxy F series, Samsung would be expanding its online footprint. The first phone in the list could be called the Galaxy F41, which could be a device that focuses heavily on Cam 415 FDS and will in design be very similar to the Galaxy M31. However, there will be a few extra features and design changes to help it stand out a little. Earlier, a Google Play console listing had claimed the upcoming Samsung Galaxy F41 to be powered by. Other reports suggest the phone will sport an Infinity U display with FHD+ resolution. The phone will likely run Android 11 with One UI on top. Other details have also been leaked, with the Galaxy F41 expected to include a triple camera module, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. The Samsung Galaxy F series is made with a focus on the photography sector. The report also adds that Samsung is preparing at least one smartphone in this series, which has the model number SMF415F and is believed to come out as Galaxy F41. Reportedly, the Samsung Galaxy F41 smartphone will debut at the end of this month or early October and will come as an offering for mid-range devices that are sold online. Samsung has not confirmed the existence of its new Galaxy F series or the Galaxy F41 smartphone. Although the device with the model number SMF415F has been seen several times in the leak. Each camera's details are still hidden, but two of them are expected to be wide and ultra-wide lenses. While other reports say that the Galaxy F41 is equipped with fast charging support and use. What do you think about this new smartphone? Let me see your comment below. Well, having been said, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. 1P.